Vanakkam guys, welcome to Vidya's Healthy Kitchen. Today I'm going to make 2 recipes using gooseberries, that is amla. It is also called as nellika in Tamil. Amla berries are good source of vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin A. They are also rich in antioxidants and calcium. This powerful berry helps to boost your body's immune system. Regular intake of amla does wonders to your body. So today I'm going to show how you can include amla in your regular diet by showing 2 awesome recipes using these gooseberries. Firstly, I'm going to make amla rice, which is healthy, delicious as well as very easy to make. It can also be taken in lunchbox. Second, I'm going to make amla juice or the cooler that can be had as a starter drink or as an everyday immunity booster since amla is loaded with vitamin C. Let us now dive into the recipes. First, let us make the amla rice. For this, I have here 2 cups of cooked rice. Ensure the rice you cook is fluffy and dry and not sticky. You can use basmati rice, however, I have used the regular Sona Masuri rice today. Let's keep this aside for now. I have taken around 6 medium-sized gooseberries or avla here. I'll now show you how we can cut them easily. If you look at this berry, it has the natural markings or the lines on it. I'm going to use a knife and I'm going to run it through all of these lines one by one from top to bottom. Now I'm going to use the same knife to push or flip it the opposite side with little force. See how beautifully the pieces come out. I'm going to repeat the same for all the pieces. I've cut all of the berries. Now I'm transferring them into a mixer jar. If you want, you can chop them even smaller. To this, I'm adding 2 green chilies. You can add as per your spice requirement. Now I'm going to grind them into fine paste. The paste is ready. If you have 1 or 2 pieces of unground amla, it is okay. You can use it as it is. Now I've kept a pan on the stove. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, that is rai or kadugu, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi seeds or vendayam. I'm going to dry roast them for about 5 minutes. They're roasted well. Now I'm going to transfer them to a mixer grinder and grind them into fine powder. To the same pan, I'm adding about 1 to 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil, that is nalleಣ್ಣை. Once the oil gets heated, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, that is rai or kadugu, half a teaspoon of split gram, that is chana dal or kadlaparippu, half a teaspoon of whole gram, that is urad dal or udutham parippu, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera or jeeragam, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing or perungayam, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, that is moongfali or verkadala, few fresh curry leaves, and 1 red chili. And I'm going to saute them well. Once the seasonings are sauteed well, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi or mancha podi, and saute it for about a minute. Now to this, I'm adding the ground amla paste and fry them for about 5 minutes. I'm also adding the required salt. Keep stirring the paste so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. After about 5 to 7 minutes, the paste is cooked very well. I'm going to switch off the stove and finally add the mustard seeds and the methi seeds powder. Please note that the stove has to be put off before adding this powder. And I'm going to give them a good mix. The amla rice paste is ready. Now to this, I'm adding the cooked rice. And I'm going to mix them well till the mixture is combined well with the rice. The rice looks amazing. And finally, I'm adding few fresh coriander leaves. and giving it a final mix. The healthy, delicious and a simple variety rice recipe is ready to be served and can even be packed in the lunch box. Now let us make the Amla cooler or the Amla juice that can be had as a starter drink or as an immunity booster. I've taken about 4 Amlas and I'm going to chop them in the same way I told before. I've further chopped them into smaller pieces. Now I'm transferring them to a mixer grinder. To this I'm adding 2 inches of ginger peeled and cut and few fresh pudina or mint leaves. I'm going to grind them into fine paste by adding little water. The paste is grounded well. Now I'm going to pass it through a strainer and filter them completely to get the clean juice. I'm using a spoon to press them nicely so that we get the entire essence without wasting any. I'm also adding little water and I'm going to press them again, by which no essence is wasted and we get the complete clean juice. The juice is filtered completely. To this I'm squeezing half a lemon juice and adding about 2 cups of water. Now it is entirely your choice as to how you want to have this drink, as a sweet taste or as a salty taste. You can make a starter drink by adding black salt, chaat masala and ice cubes, or drink it up plain as an immunity booster. The choice is totally yours. Today I'm going to show you the way I like to have this drink as a starter drink. For that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm mixing them really well. You can refrigerate it if you want to have it cold before serving or add ice. It's totally your choice. After mixing it well, I'm transferring it into a serving glass. And just before serving, I'm keeping fresh lemon just to make it look nice. And I'm also adding 1 or 2 mint leaves. As I said earlier, you can refrigerate and serve it cool, or you can add ice cubes. However, I'm not adding it today, and serve them. The super healthy, tasty and easy starter drink is ready to be served. I hope you liked both of my recipes of Amla. Try including Amla in your regular diet and boost your body immunity. You can try making these recipes which I just showed, and please share how you like them. For more such healthy, tasty recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Details are given in the description. Till then, take care. Happy cooking!